Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Selo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So today I unfortunately come to you guys bearing nothing but sad news as it was announced about the sudden passing of former YoTv presenter and YFM presenter Lumko Johnson, you guys. Lumko passed away yesterday on Wednesday the 14th of September 2022 at a very tender age of 32. Their family issued a statement and confirmed their passing. The statement reads as follows. It is with great sadness that we share the news of the untimely passing of our beloved Lumko Johnson Lekela. They departed on the 14th of September 2022. Lumko first entered the public realm as a young teenager on the popular SABC1 YoTv platform. They went on to nurture a career in television broadcast, radio production, and media at large. In their own words, Lumko was an accomplished TV and radio super producer, actor, writer, and big deal in most spaces. This is a gut-wrenching loss to the Lekela family, their loved ones, the LGBTQI community, and and ultimately to the South African broadcast and television community. Lumko lived a life filled with purpose and authenticity. As we process this shock as a community, let us remember their light in this world. Details on the memorial and funeral arrangements will be shared by the family in due course. The family asked that the public and media respect their privacy as they deal with this difficult loss. Condolences to the family and their loved ones, you guys. May Lumko's soul rest in peace.